Welcome guys to this new video. Today we are trying to defeat the nature elementum, so let's start. I'm going to review on the video, I'm going to make a time lapse and enjoy the video. Guys, the nature elementum is really strong. I don't think that we're going to win this battle, but don't worry, I have a master plan. My Miscrits are level 30, we can still make them stronger, they can reach level 35, we're going to train them, we're going to make them stronger, so don't worry. We are going to beat this motherfucker and like always, see you next time. Bye bye.